Oh, there was issues with my car. Okay, I got it extra hot today, so we'll see how it works. Makes you a dice. I know. Okay.
Finally get it right after 4 days.
Yes. Okay. 17,000. We can stop anytime now.
I'll hit 10 today. Still telling me I need to take a day off.
It's still telling you need a day off?
You certainly got color today. Very, very dark.
That was the only returning people that I saw coming today.
Any new ones?
Not that I've seen.
Is that the guy you were talking to?
Guys kind of hunched over, and last year's wife started using the walker. Now this year she's come here, she's using the walker, and she had some kind of brace on one of her ankles. Just screams last trip.
Yeah. That must be what one of the clients was saying to, I think it was to Tim this morning. He said, "Oh, I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that." You know.
What, last year?
Oh, and Tim said, I don't want to hear that?
Yeah.
Can't get coverage.
What?
They can't get coverage anymore.
Yeah. On the insurance, yeah.
If you're not from the state.
Yeah. Yeah, it kind of shuts a lot of people down, eh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Tons of them can't get them.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
All the Arizona goers.
Yep.
Yeah.
She never even signed up so that, you know, it was each year, right? So for her to get out of country medical now with the number that we phoned, they'll do her, but they won't do him.
Oh God. Yeah, you know, it's funny. You know, people always go, well, if you were going to retire, what should you be watching for, right? And one thing I know that I should have done, didn't. I figured I got all my teeth done, I got all my crowns and everything, so I figured I could take the basic dental, right?
Yeah, they changed mine, and I did that too.
we did that.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because I went to the doctor and he looked everything over. Everything's fine.
Yeah, we took all the stuff to the dentist and said, which plan should we take?
Yeah.
And they said, oh no, you guys are good.
You
all
are
you ever
good.
do is get cleaning.
Yeah.
And then, whoops.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Broken tooth.
Is that right? Yeah, not good.
And then another one that needed to be redone. It's been done a couple of times.
Yeah.
Drilled it out, did a root canal and everything, and then I went in to get the crown and it was cracked.
Ooh.
So that was a fuck. That was like an $1,800 fuck. You guys should have known better. So they yanked that out.
Was that with whatever partial dental you had?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh man.
So then that was done, had to get that yanked, so I got 2 holes in my mouth, and it was, how much was that?
$4,000 for your,
Implants?
yeah.
$4,000 to get the implants, and then $4,000 to put the crowns on, right?
I don't know how much.
I can't
blur.
remember.
It was a blur. to me.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
like,
A lot of
God.
money.
It was money.
Yeah.
But you needed it. So
Yeah.
who cares?
I remember.
It works great. It's like my own teeth.
Is that right? Eh?
Yeah.
So we'll see when we get our taxes done this year.
If you can write any of it off.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
If because we had to start taking money from our risk, right? So that added another, you know,
Yeah.
15, depending on the investments we're doing, 15 to 20 grand each added income, right?
Mhm.
But we spent it. It's okay. We
Yeah.
spent it.
I just remember Ted Baker because he just retired a couple of years ago, and that's exactly what he said to me. He says, Deb, he said, what should I know? What should I be aware of? Because him and his wife were retiring at the same time.
Yeah.
And of course, they're both CIBC, right?
Right.
But I just said, don't skimp on any of the benefits. Like, pay what you need to, right? So, you know, like,
Mine would save me because of when I'm retired.
yeah.
Because I retired before January 1st, 2009.
Yeah, I think what pisses me off is they don't give you an opportunity to change anything, right? You are locked in.
You can, well, I thought you could change if you had like an earth,
Like a life-changing event.
yeah.
Not your benefits. You can add a person on. You can, you know, but it's not like you can change the tier of benefits you took.
I couldn't change anything. Mine was set in stone.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is what you get.
Yeah,
You don't have to pay us anything, but this is what you get.
yeah.
And so far it's been pretty good.
Yeah.
And it covers Tom too.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, so like all of our
Because you had it that way before you quit, right? Before you retired, was on your plan.
Well, yeah. Well, we both had a plan. But
Yeah.
You. So then you shared the.
Exactly. Exactly.
I said, Donna, well, why did you know?
Because she's so cheap.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, if I'd had someone to share with, I would have gladly shared, right? You know.
Well, boy, this is so good. Well, now you're SOL. 'Cause
Yeah.
you've got nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he doesn't have anything in retirement?
No,
Oh my God.
it's only good until he turns, well, he worked till he was 70.
Really? Oh my God. And
Well,
now
he
he.
showed up at the plant.
Yeah. He used to say, why would I retire?
Yeah, lots of people like that. Those are the ones that Tim was talking about today.
Anyway, yeah. But each to their own, right?
Yeah.
So Donna was wangling with, I can't remember if it was her dentist or the eye doctor or something before, because he worked till he was 70, and they put these claims through or
Oh yeah.
retain funds for future visits. I wouldn't even think of that or ask a professional to do that.
Yeah.
I just never would, right? Anyway.
Yeah, and then it's like that girl that I had to fire because she was, insurance fraud, right?
Yeah. God, that's unreal.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's putting all these. Well, it was primarily dental claims, and thousands of dollars. Don't know how she did it. That was corporate securities business, not mine.
I got a whole bunch done too before I left the city of New West. Crowns and all that
Yeah.
stuff.
Well, yeah, because you had all that stuff from chemo.
But that makes sense. Like you knew you were planning to,
Yeah, it was good who we worked for because we didn't pay any of, I guess, a lot of the prescriptions, we didn't even realize that they were expensive.
Yeah.
because we didn't pay.
Yeah.
But yeah, like anti-nausea stuff and all that.
Big turnaround day today.
Yeah.
Well, you saw the planes
All the
that started
planes.
coming in after that first one.
I know.
It just like somebody turned on a tap.
And the military.
Famous
I
last
figure
words.
about 2,500, 3,000 by the number of planes that come in. Even figuring out 200 a plane, right, on the
Yeah.
average. At least 10 before we left, and I don't know what came in after.
Like regular planes, not jets.
Well, yeah, like commercial airlines.
Commercial.
Ah.
Yeah.
There's lots of jets up there, and that one transport that came in.
Which was
just
the
as we
dark?
were leaving.
What's the dark airline?
Which?
The dark airline. It looked like
Southwest. The dark blue planes?
they looked like they were almost black,
Yeah,
right?
they do, but there's colors on them as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
Yeah, no, that's Southwest.
Okay. There was lots of those coming in.
Big airline.
Is that right?
Yeah, low budget. No frills. They've been around a long, long time.
Okay.
Tom went on a no frills, John with Bob. They went to Las Vegas. Janet and I were going to join them, and Mom landed in the hospital.
Mm.
We didn't go.
So you didn't go.
So I didn't get to go. Yeah. So, what was the name of that?
Allegiant.
Allegiant.
Right.
Tom says it's like you're sitting on a lawn chair.
It's like Garuda Air in Indonesia.
Gets you there. It's not a long flight.
Yeah. That's the one that.
Here's your peanuts, here's your coffee.
Yeah.
You got peanuts at least.
Allegiance is the one that flies out of Blaine, right?
Yeah, Bellingham.
Bellingham, yeah.
I think Bob and Janet usually fly out of
Bellingham?
Bellingham.
Is that right?
Okay.
I don't think so. Abbotsford. I think we'll find out at Abbotsford this time.
Oh, are they?
And you. from here to Calgary.
Yeah.
Tell him your route.
Love WestJet.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking ass.
I know. Yep. Well, it's like I said to Marlene, I broke
Never
a
on time.
I broke a vow. You know, I was never going to fly with them ever again. Beggars can't be choosers.
Well, I guess we're going to find out how shitty they are again, too.
Oh, are you?
When we fly out of Kelowna to Mazatlan.
Mazatlan, yeah.
At least it's a direct flight.
Yeah. Should be, what, 3.5, 4 hours, maybe?
I'm thinking.
But
That's
it's
not
just,
bad,
it's
eh?
just south, yeah.
Yeah,
You
right
can
on.
deal with a shit airline if that's all the flight is.
Yeah.
My handy dandy travel expert daughter-in-law booked seats and everything for us.
Nice.
Except because it's the Sun Wing, those seats were US dollars. I know.
It's the way they get their little